Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create an ebook in Canva. First, open Canva. In the search bar, make a search for magazine cover. Select one from the covers available. Now, tap to open it. You can edit and delete various sections here. From the left bar, tap on Text. Doing so will add a text box here. Then edit the text over here. After this, you can adjust its size. Also, you can adjust its position on the page. Once you are done with this, go to Elements. Here, select a category. Then go to Image and delete it. From the elements, tap on your selected image. This will add this to page at the right side. Now you can adjust its dimensions. Also, adjust the position of text boxes. Next, go to the second page. You can make similar changes here as well. Once you are done with all this, click on Share button. From the options, tap on Download. Select File Type. Then check the box Flatten PDF. Also, check the box Save Download Settings. In the end, tap on Download. And you are all done. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.